ESP and BAS are critical safety systems in modern vehicles. Understanding what these warning lights mean can help you maintain vehicle safety and prevent dangerous situations. ESP, or Electronic Stability Program, prevents your vehicle from skidding by monitoring wheel speed and automatically applying brakes to individual wheels when loss of control is detected. BS, or Brake Assist System, recognizes emergency braking by monitoring how quickly and forcefully you press the brake pedal, then automatically applies maximum braking force to help you stop faster. When the ESP or BAS warning light appears on your dashboard, it indicates a potential issue within these safety systems that requires attention. Several common issues can trigger ESP and S warning lights. The most frequent cause is faulty wheel speed sensors, which account for about 40% of cases. Low battery voltage can cause temporary system shutdowns, while steering angle sensor misalignment often occurs after wheel alignments or replacements. Brake fluid problems and wiring issues, such as corroded connections, can also trigger these warning lights. Modern vehicles integrate ESP and BAS with other advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, creating a comprehensive safety network. Addressing ESP and BAS warning lights promptly is essential for maintaining vehicle safety. These systems are your last line of defense in emergency situations, helping maintain control and maximize braking effectiveness when you need it most. While modern ESP and BS systems are becoming more complex, many issues can still be resolved without expensive diagnostic scanners. There are 3 proven methods that work for most common problems. The battery disconnect method is the most effective, scanner-free approach, working for 70 to 80% of soft fault codes. This method clears temporary system errors by resetting the vehicle's electronic control units. First, turn off the engine and remove the key. Then disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 15 to 30 minutes. This allows the system capacitors to fully discharge. Reconnect the battery and drive for 10 to 15 minutes at varying speeds to allow the system to recalibrate. The steering angle sensor calibration method works specifically for steering-related ESP faults. This often occurs after wheel alignments, tire changes, or battery replacements that affect the steering angle sensor's reference point. Start the engine with wheels straight, then turn the steering wheel fully left, then fully right, and return to center. Turn off the engine, wait 30 seconds, then restart. This procedure allows the system to relearn the steering wheel's center position. The brake pedal reset sequence specifically addresses BAS brake assist system issues. This method recalibrates the brake pedal position sensor and clears brake assist fault codes. With the key in the ignition but engine off, rapidly press the brake pedal 5 times, then hold it down for 10 seconds. Release the pedal, start the engine, and test drive at low speeds to verify the system reset. These scanner-free methods work for many common issues, but it's crucial to know when professional diagnosis is needed. If the warning light returns immediately, multiple lights are active, or you notice unusual braking behavior, seek professional help immediately. Remember, ESP and BAS are critical safety systems. While these reset methods can save time and money for simple issues, never compromise on safety when dealing with persistent problems or unusual vehicle behavior.